Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making a very simple vanilla Oreo ice cream at home from scratch. These are the ingredients you are using for today's vanilla Oreo ice cream. So we have our instant whipped cream powder here, my homemade sweetened condensed. The recipe is linked below, you can check out. Cold full cream milk, some cold water, and a 6-pack of Oreo biscuits or Oreo cookies. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. We are going to start off by making our ice cream base from our instant whipped cream powder, our cold full cream milk, and our cold water, which will be mixed gradually until the whipped cream mixture is formed and then there is a stiff peak which we can work with. Next, we are going to add in our homemade sweetened condensed milk. The recipe is linked below, you can check out. This is going to help us make our ice cream base creamier and tasty. Then we'll pick up our Oreo cookie and then we open the pack that it's in and we break some into our vanilla Oreo ice cream base. That's about enough. So we are going to set the rest aside, pick up our spatula and our bowl which we'll transfer it into, mix everything together, and then we pour it into the next available bowl. When everything is transferred into the bowl, we are going to level the top nicely with the spatula and then we crush some more Oreo cookies on top. To look as beautiful as this. Next, we'll cover with our cling film here. We are going to chill this for 6 hours or until it solidifies. This can also be overnight. Before we get into the next aspect, please my loves, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you haven't, kindly do so now by clicking on the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. There is nothing being charged for just subscribing and joining this delicious and amazing team every single day on your screens. Please subscribe and I promise you are going to enjoy it. So I picked up our Oreo vanilla ice cream from the fridge, or our vanilla Oreo ice cream from the fridge. This is how it looks like after chilling it overnight. Now we are going to serve it. And this is how it looks like. After serving the Oreo ice cream. We are going to top it up with extra Oreo cookies. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.